You don't need to have any inventory at your home. You don't need to purchase the products in bulk from China or Alibaba or from the different warehouses. Today I'm going to talk about the second e-commerce business model is dropshipping. Dropshipping is very common, very casual, and very easy to do. I think in the very beginning, when a person starts his business online, he should must adopt this business model. Because of this business model demands very low rate of investment and low experience. Because of whenever a buyer buys some products from your online store or from your website, you don't need to have any inventory at your home. You don't need to purchase the products in bulk from China or Alibaba or from the different warehouses of UK or USA. You don't need to get a large number of products in bulk. Whenever any buyer puts an order on your website or on your online store, you just put the details of your buyer on another seller's store. The details of your buyer you put on the store of another seller. This is very easy to do, and the product will go on the home's address of your buyer directly. It means you don't need to have any inventory at your home. It is very easy to do, and you can do it without any inventory and very low rate of investment. I think so. I suggest only the ones who wanna do this business in the very beginning. Thank you.